We're going to talk about the different ways that I have made money on social media. And if I were you, excuse me, let's do it again. Today, we're going to be talking about all the different ways that I have been able to make money on social media. And if I were you, I would take my pen and my pad and write this down. I would take it serious. Also, if I were you, I would save this video, follow this page, because we are always dropping tips and giving tips for the average person that know God has called them to show up but have not started to show up. So if that sounds like you, this is where you want to be. Again, I'm here for networking, promotion, encouragement, and training. And we're here to build our own platform. We're not waiting on nobody to give us a platform. We're waiting on God to give us a word. And when God gives us that word, we're going to go forth. So this is not going to be a long video, but this is going to be the ways that I have been able to monetize on social media. Y'all, it's been a wonderful journey, a great journey, met so many different people, done so many things, but it's time for us to keep going. Okay, don't get stuck in what you've done and don't get stuck in the old way. I want you to keep going and pressing, so that you can see what's going to be next for you. All right, so we're going to get into it. If this is your first time here, welcome in. Please don't be afraid to say something in the chat. Don't be afraid to say something in the chat. Let me know where you're at on this social media journey. Let me know what God has put into your heart, if He's put anything into your heart, and if you know that this video came across your page for a reason. All right, you know that you need to start showing up because God may have given you a book. God may have given you a podcast. God may have given you a stage play. God may have given you a song, but you have not moved on it. So if that sounds like you, get your pen, get your pad, and let's go. All right. First things first. The first thing I did, I had already started posting on social media before I even got a social media coach. I'd already started posting on social media. Because that's just who I am. I always give encouragement. Maybe put a song up there. May put a scripture, just whatever. Because that's already what I was doing. I was already a singer before social media even got popular. But one day, as I was scrolling, I seen a lady was like, if you want to learn how to make money on social media by just being yourself, join this webinar. And like me, I always say this: y'all have to be hungry. Y'all have to be hungry. Y'all have to be hungry to go to the next level. You can't just be like just sitting there. I was like, oh shoot, a free webinar. Let me see what she's talking about. So I took the free webinar, and when I tell you honestly, I cannot lie, it was life changing. And I'm gonna teach y'all what she taught me. Of course, I learned a lot more, but I'm gonna teach y'all exactly what it is that she taught me, so that you can go and start on social media without even having a lot of money. And although she taught me these key principles, y'all, I had to still implement those, and I did other things. You know what I'm saying? So don't just get stuck with what she taught you. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to make sure that it was recorded. So don't just get stuck with what she taught me and what I teach you. I want you to take these key principles and I want you to add on them and make them your own, and you do your own thing. We just the teacher. Okay, we just the person to get you to say, what, I can do this? Yes, you can. So first things first, you have to find your niche. For real though, I know you've been hearing this all willy nilly and silly, but we've been saying this for a long time. Who are you? What are you going to be saying? And just pick one thing, okay? Let me give you an example. I coach playwrights. What does that look like? Okay, we're just going, for the sake of this video, we're going to say that I coach playwrights. All right. What do I help them do? I help them produce a stage play. I help playwrights produce a stage play just for the sake of this video. And so the first thing you're going to do, welcome in everybody. We're just teaching on how you can make money on social media. Okay. Okay. How you can make money on social media. The first thing you're going to do is you always want to give them a free offer, your freebie. What is that thing that you can give them for free? And oh, let me say this. It's all digital. Can somebody drop that in the comments? It is all digital. It's digital. So you don't have to send nothing to them as far as the mail. You don't have to get dressed and go to the post office. You don't have to do none of that. It is all digital. So you're going to create a one step guide, a how to do this to get them from point A to point B, and we're going to give that to them for free. Okay. So, say for instance, again, I'm a playwright. Here are the first 10 things you need to know before you start your playwright journey. Here are the top 5 things you need to know. I went in Excel, or not Excel, I went in Word. I drafted up something, put a little picture on it, put some words on it, and I uploaded it as a free one sheet guide. You say, JR, why would I give them something for free? Welcome in, everybody. Why would I give them something for free? Yes, you're going to give them something for free because you're actually building your community. And we'll talk about that all later, but you're building an audience. You're getting their information. So when you do have something to sell, they'll be the first one to maybe get a discount. They'll be the first one to know about it. Okay, so for the first 30 days, as you're showing up, you are going to post and talk about that free guide that you have and you've created. Okay, that's the first thing you're going to do, and all this is digital. The next thing you're going to do, you're like, okay, I've been showing up. The people see you. You see the people. The people like, okay, I'm rocking with you. I'm rocking with you. You've been telling me how to do the stage play thing. You've been telling me how to do show up on social media. You've been telling me how to do whatever it is that you've been telling them how to do. They've been following you. They've been seeing you show up, and you've been doing it. Congratulations, because you got to show up. You have to show up. You can't just stop, and don't just say, "Oh, I posted." No, post. The harder you want it, the more you want it, the more you're gonna post, because the name of the game is getting in front of people's faces. Okay, so you're gonna push that freebie. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create a ebook, which we're going to call that your low ticket item. If somebody can drop that in the comments, you're going to create your low ticket item. So $9.99, $19.99. You don't want to bust them over the head, but you do want to still let them know, okay, this is what I do, so I do have to charge you for it. Okay, so you're going to create that low ticket item. After you create that, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to keep pushing it. But now you like in month 2, you month 3, people trusting you now. So people are going to start to buy from you, and you still got people signing up for that free thing. Okay. People signed up for the free thing and they're purchasing. And so you like, okay, look, oh, I'm with this. This is good. Now you like, okay, now I want to go to the next level. Because I got more information. I've been learning more. It's just good. So now you're going to create a video. You're going to create your mid-ticket item, some type of video. And how you could do this, you're like, okay, I want to create the video on how to be a playwright, but I don't want to just sit in front of the camera. Now you can say, okay, I'm going to do a course for people to come and watch and give questions, and you're going to sell that actual course. So that's killing 2 birds at once. Okay, you're going to be like, okay, we're going to be on for an hour. We're going to be on this Zoom for an hour. We're going to be on this free conference call for an hour. I'm going to record it, and I'm going to sell that as my mid-ticket item. Not everybody is going to want to listen to or watch your ebook or read the ebook. They may get their ebook, but now they want to hear you talk. Some people just want to see you talk. Some people want to get in and ask questions. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, really. First one is your freebie, your lead magnet. That's your first thing you're going to do. Your second thing you're going to do, again, that is going to be your ebook. That's your low ticket item. Your third thing is going to be your digital course that you can turn into a digital video. Number 4, how you can start to show up and take over social media. How you can start to show, okay, you popping because you get into the money. Everybody don't know this. I know it's a lot of people y'all think is rich and famous and all this stuff, but they don't know these things. They may have the popularity, but do they have the prosperity? Popularity, I would rather have prosperity over popularity. I would rather have my own house that just got built over having people know my name. Okay. And so in order for that to happen, you have to put these things in place. And I'm telling you, I wouldn't tell you no lie. And this, what I'm telling you, is only part one of it. This is only you building your own stuff, because there's a whole nother part where the brands start to pay you, where the platforms start to pay you. But today we want to only talk about you. You have to be able to do this part. You have to be able to master showing up without brands paying you before they'll even pay you. So this is the part where you're building, and then eventually they're gonna come together. You're gonna be getting paid like this, and you're gonna be getting paid like that. But you don't need to think about that. You need to be thinking about this. Okay, you need to be thinking about this. I just want to let you know it is there. It is there. I've seen it. It's happened for me time and time again. But you need to start here. All right. So let's go over number one. What was number one? You need to create a lead magnet, a lead magnet, a lead magnet, a lead magnet. Number two, you need to create a low ticket item, which is an ebook. Number three, you're going to create your master class, get some people in there, save that Zoom, and you're going to sell it. So that's two birds at once. And then point number four, you're going to open up your books. You're going to open up your coaching. That's a big ticket item. You're going to open up the coaching or the I do it for you. Now, if you open up the coaching, you can have coaching sessions, one-on-one sessions, and all that stuff. You open up your calendar, and then where they can be on a Zoom call one-on-one, or you can do the I do it for you. Now, if you do the I do it for you, that means you can charge more. Okay, that means you can charge more. So this is what I want you all to implement. Now, yes, I can walk you through this. Yes, you can reach out to me, and I can tell you all the platforms that I use for the things, or you can just do it on your own. If you want me to give you my list and my platform, the things that I do, I can definitely send you the link and you can purchase it, or I can be your coach and I can walk you through the things. Okay, so this is showing up. You picking your niche. Okay, who are you? What is God telling you in your ear? What is God telling you you need to do? I want you to think about that. I want you to take that serious, and I want you to, if you're tired of working a 9 to 5, if you're tired of being broke, busted, and disgusted, but you know the Lord can trust you, then I want you to take this serious. Okay, I want you to think about what God is giving you, what God is saying to you in this season, so that you can be what He's called you to be. And as you minister, because it's all ministry, money is gonna come your way, but I don't want you to think it like that. It is gonna come your way. All right. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. This is my YouTube channel. I love y'all, and there's nothing y'all can do about it. I'll see y'all soon.